G'day guys, Paul here from The Hook and the Cook. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm bringing you some great little recipes which I was lucky enough to go on Escape with ET and do some segments with the great Andrew Eddinghausen. Some of these recipes that we're doing are so simple you can easily do them at home. They're all on the barbecue, so you can just get out there in the backyard and give them a crack. So here you go.
A long way south of Arnhem Land, I'm still top-ender fishing with my Mazda BT50 and Quinny top-ender combination. Our TV chef Paul Breheny is joining me on my favourite inshore boat. But today we're not planning to stay anywhere inshore. We're heading out wide to the ocean. Well, it's a beautiful day. Off the south coast of Sydney, we're chasing sand flathead. And we're just drifting in about 40 metres of water at the moment. Got the paternoster rig down, so the sinker on the bottom and the little dropper loop with a piece of fish flesh as bait.
There's not many people I know that don't love flathead, you know? Absolutely beautiful fish.
So between the chef and the fisho, who'll hook up first? Oh, I love these grappler rods. They're fantastic. This little Saragossa, perfect for this sort of stuff. That Gamakatsu hook's nice and sharp, but you've got to keep it in there. Here we go.
Yeah, good eating size. Awesome, mate. Well done.
All right, they're loving that fresh bait. That's fisho 1, chef 0. But of course, that can all change with just one hookup.
I don't think he's real big. Oh, no, dropped him.
Dropped him?
Yeah.
Sorry, Paul, but that didn't change a thing. Oh, it's a nice fish.
That's a better fish.
Yeah. He's really trying to get down to the bottom, back to his sandy bed.
Yeah.
Oh, we want him on the dinner table. There he is, though. Oh, he's not looking too bad. Yeah, a bit wrapped up in the line. Oh, that is definitely legal fish.
Yeah, good size, great size.
And as we only needed a couple of fish for the barbie, that's game over. We went out chasing flathead, sand flathead, and we got a few.
Yep.
How'd you go?
Well, I didn't go too good. Actually, did get one to the boat and it fell off.
Oh, did we get it on camera?
No.
No, we managed a few, which was good, and these are a couple of nice fillets. What are you going to do, mate?
So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to show you how to skin it really easily.
Okay.
So you just get a little bit of salt in your fingers.
Yep.
So take your time up to this stage till we get to the tail, and the tails are what we need today. So we just take it like so. And once we get to the tail, it's just a matter of just ripping the skin off, and away you go.
Wow, that's quicker than how I do it with my knife.
Yeah.
I guess you've got to have salt in your tackle box back there.
Yeah, you've got to carry the KRIO salt all the time.
Oh, that's right.
I carry it everywhere I go now. So what I'm going to do today is just wrap the tails in some pancetta. We're just going to roll it up. It's going to crisp up. And also it's got a nice salty flavour. It goes really, really well with it. I'm going to put that with a green olive dressing. So we're going to throw some lemon juice in there, some chilli, garlic, and we're going to serve that on our quinoa. And this is from Sanders as well. It's with an eggplant caponata, which is like a sauce that we're just going to toss through. Okay, so it's great when you're outdoors like this.
Let's get cracking, eh?
Yeah, let's do it. So basically, Andrew, what I'm going to do now is roll up our flathead fillets, take a little bit of our fresh basil, just for a nice bit of colour, and just looks really, really nice. It's also going to give our basil a nice little infusion. I'm not going to season the fish because there's plenty of seasoning inside our pancetta. A lot of people like to use prosciutto, but when I'm crisping it up, I much prefer pancetta. It'll go really, really well with our fish. So it's a bit of a Mediterranean-style dish. And we're just making a nice little green olive sauce to go with this. We just need a little bit of salt in with our olives, garlic, and chilli. And we're just going to pound this together.
There we go.
Not only can I not catch...
Oh, yeah.
Look.
Gosh.
Huh?
Can't catch flathead.
That's all right, don't worry. Don't you worry. Don't you worry.
I know how good it tastes. Everything you've ever cooked me has been amazing.
What we've got to do now is add a little bit of acid in there. And what we've got is some white balsamic vinegar.
Okay.
Similar to the normal red balsamic vinegar. Okay, so just a drizzle of that in there. And some torn basil leaves here.
And we're very lucky to have your local greengrocer as a sponsor this year. They've provided so much fresh produce.
Yeah.
Just amazing.
Oh, great, mate. You've got to get out there and support your local greengrocers. They're just great. Next thing we need to do is our quinoa. So straight in, and then we're just going to mix our caponata sauce in here. Again, heaps and heaps of Mediterranean flavours. So just fold that in, just let all them flavours infuse, and then we're just going to throw the fish on the barbecue and plate up.
They're looking good, mate.
You're going to enjoy it, mate. Well, you caught them, because I couldn't catch them. So we're going to plate up. All we do now is a little bit of quinoa. I know you're hungry, Andrew. I shouldn't be hungry, should I? I've caught nothing. And a lemon cheek.
The guys from the Barbecue and Fireplace Centre on the Sunshine Coast have provided this beaut barbie, and just by chance, it's almost lunchtime.
So just putting a little bit of salsa on. We've got all them ingredients on top of there as well, which is going to be so nice.
Well
what do you
done,
think?
mate.
Looks okay.
Absolutely fabulous.
Cool.
And right on the dinner bell, mate. Lunchtime. Read the recipe on our website.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that little recipe. Now, don't forget to get over to Escape with ET. He's got his YouTube channel over there, Andrew. And make sure you subscribe. Great channel with some fantastic fishing all the way from Brim right up to Marlin in this great country of ours. See you later, guys. See you next week.